If you want to import fonts into CapCut PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you the full process step by step so you can download a font, install it properly on your computer, restart CapCut, and then use that font inside your project without any confusion. This is perfect if you want your edits to look more professional, match a brand style, or simply use a font that isn't included by default in CapCut. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, you need to download the font you want to use. Look for a trusted font website such as DaFont or Google Fonts and make sure you download a font file in either .ttf or .ot format. These are the file types CapCut and Windows can recognize. Once the file is downloaded, go to your downloads folder and find the font file. If it comes zipped, right-click it and extract it first so you can access the actual font file inside. After that, double-click the .ttf or .otf file to open the preview window. At the top of that window, you'll see an Install button. Click Install and Windows will add the font to your system. This part is important because CapCut doesn't install fonts directly from inside the app. It uses the fonts already installed on your computer. Once the font is installed, the next step is to restart CapCut completely. If CapCut is already open, close it all the way, then open it again. This is necessary because the app usually won't detect new system fonts while it's still running in the background. A full restart refreshes the font list and makes your newly installed font appear properly. Now open your CapCut project and go to the text option in the top left corner. From there, drag Add Text onto your timeline. This creates a text layer that you can edit and style. Click on the text layer so the basic text panel appears on the right side of the screen. In that panel, look for the font drop-down menu. Click it and you'll see different font categories. Scroll until you find the system font section because that's where your newly installed font should show up. You can also use the search bar if CapCut gives you one, which makes it faster to find the font by name. Once you locate it, click the font to apply it to your text layer. Immediately, your text style should update to the new font. From there, you can adjust the size, spacing, alignment, color, and any other text settings to match your edit. If the font doesn't appear right away, don't panic. Just double check that the font was installed correctly and make sure CapCut was fully closed before reopening it. In most cases, that's all it takes. So to quickly recap, download the font, extract it if needed, install it on your computer, restart CapCut, add a text layer, then choose your font from the system fonts section. And that's how you import fonts into CapCut PC the right way. If this helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe for more CapCut tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next editing guide. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.